Okay, atomic mass number. Okay, we represent the atomic number with including elements. How can we indicate the atomic mass and atomic number? Where shall we write? For example, carbon. The subscription what? Upside what? Atomic number. Atomic mass. See here.
Atomic number is simply the number of protons present inside the nucleus.
See, atomic number is the number of
Protons
protons.
present in the atomic nucleus.
Okay. Atomic number of protons present in atom is called atomic number. What is atomic mass? What is atomic mass?
Sum of protons.
Sum of the protons and neutrons is called the atomic mass. Atomic mass is denoted by letter Z. Atomic mass. Atomic mass Z plus N. What is Z here? Atomic number. What is N here? Neutrons. That is equal to atomic mass. Is it? A is equal to Z plus N. Now, what is A here? Atomic mass. What is Z? Number of protons in present element. What is N? Number of neutrons. How can we write electric symbol, chemical symbol? Atomic number we can write left of the bottom, means subscript. Subscript means down. Atomic mass superscript. Like this. Chemical symbol we can write here. Atomic mass is upside left. Atomic number downside left. This is called superscript. This is called subscript. Atomic number we can write like a subscript. Atomic mass we can write superscript. Symbol we can write like this. For example, carbon. Atomic number 6. Atomic mass. Okay. See. For example, here we can write chlorine also. Carbon 6 12. This is the atomic symbol. This is the atomic number, and this is the atomic mass. Okay. Next, one more example, that is chlorine. What is this? Chlorine 17. What is this indication? Atomic number. What is the meaning of atomic number? Means electrons, protons, or neutrons? Protons. Protons. It is the atomic number is protons. What is this? Atomic mass. What is the atomic mass? Protons plus neutrons. So we can see here chlorine having two types of chlorines is there. Two types of chlorines is there. One is 17 protons and 18 neutrons. 17 protons and 18. So 17 plus 18 is equal to 35 atomic mass. Now another type of chlorine is there, 17 protons and 20 neutrons. 17 protons and 20 neutrons. 37 is the atomic mass of chlorine. So like this two different atomic mass is there. Like that elements are called isotopes. Isotopes. See, chlorine having 17 or 37. So two different types of elements, same elements, but here is there. What is the difference in between them? Atomic masses is different. Means number of neutrons is different. Protons are same, neutrons are different. Like that elements are called isotopes. So here 17 protons, same 18 neutrons, 20 neutrons. Only difference is neutrons. Atoms of the same elements having same number of protons, but different number of neutrons. Like that elements are called isotopes. Isotopes. So but how can you write atomic number? Always we can choose 35 only. Why? What is the reason? We can write always 35. We did not write 37. Why? So here is the one formula. Means, for example, consider the isotope of chlorine. It occurs in the nature two isotopic forms. Chlorines are formed two isotopes of formation. Two types of isotopes. One is the chlorine 35 atomic mass. One is the atomic mass 37. So the isotope with the mass 35 is present in 75%. Isotope with the mass 37 is present in 25% in nature. For example, 35 atomic mass chlorine is available 70% in nature. 35 atomic mass 75% available in nature. 37 atomic mass available in 25% in nature. So we can calculate it, taking all averages, mass of all averages. You will see 75% means you can write like this. Here is the 35 now. 35 into 75% means how can we write it? 75 by 100. Plus 37 into, you know 25 table? 25 threes are 25 fours are 25 ones are 25. You can cancel it with 4 table. Is there any points? Maybe we'll see. Will come in points. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. 4 eights are. Remaining 3 is there. Point 13. 4 sevens are 28. Remaining 2 is there. 20. 4 fives are. Here also will come in points maybe. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. Remaining will keep point 10. 4 twos are 8. 4 to the 8. Remaining 2 is there. 20. So 8.75 3s are into no 3 5s are 3 7 3s are 21 plus 1 into 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26.5 plus 9.25 no? Add it. You can add 5 plus 5 10 no? 4 5 26 35.5. We can write just U. What is the meaning of U?
Units.
Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass
Units.
but we can write directly U. Okay, this is the, we can write like this, atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Okay, any chlorine isotope we can take just atomic mass is 35.5. Atomic mass is
35.5.
applications of the isotopes. Applications of the isotopes. Some isotopes are used for solving chemical and medical mysteries. Chemical and medical mysteries. Isotopes are also commonly used in the laboratory to investigate the steps of chemical reactions. It is used in laboratory to solve the chemical reactions and also medical mysteries also. Okay, see. Isotopes of uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. Do you know nuclear reactors? Nuclear reactors. It releases the energy. It releases the energy. It energy used as some members are used like produce the current. Like that, factories are uses nuclear reactors. For that, it is used as a uranium isotopes, and isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of thyroid. Do you know thyroid? This one is like big no. Did you see anywhere? Thyroid. Okay, it is the health problem. Thyroid. It is used the isotope of iodine. Isotope of iodine is used as a treatment of thyroid. The isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer. Isotope of cobalt is used as a treatment of. So here is the 3 uses of isotopes or applications of isotopes. Uses are applications. 3 uses. What is that first one?
Isotope of uranium.
It is used as fuel in nuclear reactor. It is used as fuel in nuclear reactor. Second one, iodine isotope used as a treatment of thyroid. Iodine isotope is used as a treatment of thyroid. Next, isotope of cobalt. Isotope of cobalt is used as treatment of cancer. So, finished this lesson.